Hey George, do you know about medications that can help to quit smoking?
Well, there are several types of quit smoking regimens to help you quit smoking. Some contain nicotine while some don't. When the quit regimen contains nicotine, we call it nicotine replacement therapy. You can use any nicotine gum, patches, lozenges, or inhalers. These products deliver small amounts of nicotine to the body, which can help reduce withdrawal symptoms and cravings. You can gradually decrease the amount of nicotine over several weeks. Your brain will get used to working without so much nicotine. The best part is you can buy them without a prescription, it's over the counter. Whereas talking about the non-nicotine quit smoking pills, your doctor could prescribe you bupropion or varenicline. They work by blocking the effects of nicotine on the brain. It reduces cravings and makes smoking less enjoyable. If you are considering using quit smoking pills to help you stop smoking, talk to your healthcare provider to determine which option is right for you.